Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove vocal from your audio using Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Filmora application, and as you can see I have created a project. And for example guys, I'm going to remove vocal from this audio. I'm going to show you the original audio guys. And you're all okay, and then I'm going to remove vocal from this audio. If we want to do that, we can right click on our audio and then we can go to the AI vocal remover, and we just need to wait until 100%. Okay guys, and now the vocal has been separated with the music, and I'm going to delete the original audio. This is for the original audio, I guess. I'm going to delete it. Okay, this is for the vocal. I'm going to delete the vocal. I just want to export the music, and I'm going to play it. As you can listen guys, that the vocal has been removed from this audio, and I'm going to go to the export, and I'm going to export it as MP3. Okay, and click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove vocal from your audio using Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!